Welcome to Ebas Gallery. The 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe PPV, police pursuit vehicle, complements its cop brakes, cop suspension, and cop tires with a new enhanced driver assist package. The optional extra adds low-speed automated front braking, forward collision alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, adjustable pedals, and Chevy's safety alert seat, which vibrates to notify the driver when obstacles are detected in the vehicle's path or if the SUV drifts out of its lane. Police chases ending in giant pileups like those in the Blues Brothers movie are now even more ridiculously unrealistic. With the demise of the Chevrolet Caprice PPV, and the civilian Chevrolet SS sedan sibling, the 2018 Tahoe PPV serves as the Bowtie brand's only pursuit-rated product. Compared with the standard version, the Tahoe PPV comes equipped with cop-specific kits such as a set of stouter disc brakes, a restyled lower front fascia designed to improve brake cooling, an upgraded cooling system to enable the tough, taxi-like duty cycle, a less intrusive stability control system, and a set of 17-inch steel wheels wrapped in Goodyear all-season rubber. The tires are rated for speeds up to 149 miles per hour, although in formal Michigan State Police testing, the rear-wheel drive PPV topped out at 134 miles per hour and the all-wheel drive version at 121 miles per hour. Like the civilian Tahoe, the PPV comes out of the box equipped with a 355 HP 5.3-liter V8 mated to a specially calibrated 6-speed automatic transmission, in both rear and all-wheel drive models. The transmission didn't handcuff our performance during a brief stint through an autocross-style course, as it held onto lower gears throughout the exercise.